ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Right, let us continue. In the last class, we have studied the meaning of atomic mass. Atomic mass, actual mass is different, relative mass is different. Now, we are going to study gram atomic mass or gram atom. What is this gram atomic mass? If or when the numerical value of atomic mass is a number, the numerical value of atomic mass of an element is expressed in grams. You will add just grams to atomic mass, that is it. The value becomes gram atomic mass. Once again, when the numerical value of atomic mass is expressed in grams, then the value becomes gram atomic mass. So, let us see one example or 1 gram atom. For example, atomic mass of oxygen with atomic mass of oxygen 16 or 16 AMU. This is what we know. If you express this numerical value in grams, I am adding the units grams. I will just write grams. Then it becomes gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass of oxygen, or you can say 1 gram atom oxygen or gram atom of oxygen is equal to 16 grams. See the difference? The number is same, but we are adding units. Why? See, this is a relative mass which has no units. On a relative scale, we use atomic mass unit. It represents mass. When I substitute this number as mass, the mass units will not be cancelled, because we are taking out, this is a number which indicates mass on a relative scale. On a relative scale, we write AMU, but AMU is not a actual mass unit. To balance the mass units in the calculation, we express the same number in grams. When you express the numerical value of atomic mass of element in grams, it becomes gram atomic mass. So, you have to just add grams at the end of the number, so that mass units are balanced. This value we call it as gram atomic mass or gram atom. So, both are same, but here it has the units grams to balance the mass units when you substitute in a equation. Right? Remember, this is relative mass, no units. This is a relative, this unit is also relative one. Mass units are either grams or kgs. So, we are just adding grams to the number, it becomes gram atomic mass, that is it. You can also call it as 1 gram atom or gram atom. Now, what is the actual mass of oxygen atom? Not molecule. This is equal to what? 16 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams, which is approximately 0.0 around 2.656 into 10 power minus 23 grams. Now you should not confuse with this one and this one. This is actual mass, true mass. This is relative mass in grams. Why we are not taking this? Recollect, this number appears to be insignificant. The number appears to be very, very small. So we express in relative mass. The relative mass, the mass has no units here. So we are adding grams. It becomes, atomic mass becomes gram atomic mass. So these two are same except we are adding units. Now these two are not same. This is actual mass. This is relative mass in grams. So try to understand the difference. Atomic mass of oxygen 16 gram, atomic mass of oxygen or 1 gram atom of oxygen 16 grams. So we are writing grams to balance the mass units in the equation. This is the actual mass, but we do not use it because this number appears to be insignificant while substituting in the equations or simplifying the calculations. So you can write number of examples. You can write for hydrogen, you can write for chlorine, any number of examples, same thing, same logic. Note, 1 gram atom of any element, this is observation, of any element contains same number of atoms, or every element, 1 gram atom of any element or every element contain same number of atoms. So what is this number that we are going to study? Next, Avogadro's number. It is defined as number of atoms in 12 grams of C12 isotopes. Number of atoms in 12 grams of C12 isotopes. So we are taking 12 grams of C12 isotopes. The actual mass of a carbon atom is 1.9924 into 10 power minus 23 grams. So, one carbon atom mass is 1.9924 into 10 power minus 23 grams. We have 12 grams. 12 grams contains, if one carbon atom mass is 1.9924 into 10 power minus 23 grams, then 12 grams contains how many carbon? Experimentally, it is found that it is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. So, number of atoms is equal to 12 by 1.9924 into 10 power minus 23, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 20. This number we call it as Avogadro's number. So, 1 gram atom of any element contains same number of atoms and equal to that of Avogadro number of atoms. (16 grams of oxygen or 1 gram atom of oxygen 12 grams of carbon or 1 gram atom of carbon contains same number of atoms. That number is equal to Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 power 23. Next, gram molecular mass or gram molecule, same as gram atomic mass. So, how to define? The same thing. When the numerical value of molecular mass of a substance is expressed in grams, then the value becomes gram molecular mass. The explanation is, the reason is also same. AMU is a relative scale where the mass units are not balanced if you substitute in AMU. So, the same numerical value we express in grams, it becomes gram molecular mass. We are doing this to balance the mass units in a chemical equation. So, here let us take one example. So, molecular mass of oxygen is 32 AMU. The numerical value it is expressed in grams becomes gram molecular mass or gram molecule of oxygen. So, we are expressing the molecular mass in grams, it becomes gram molecular mass, that is 32 grams to balance the mass units. So, both are same, just we are adding the unit gram, that is it, to balance the mass unit. Now, this grams is different from actual mass. What is the actual mass of oxygen? Oxygen molecule, that is 32 AMU. AMU is 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams, right, which is equal to so around 5.32 10 power minus 23 grams. So, do not get confused again, this is actual mass, this number is very small, appears to be insignificant. So, we express in relative mass, the relative mass units are not balanced. So, we express the relative mass numerical value in grams, it becomes gram molecular mass or 1 gram molecule. Same note, 1 gram molecule of any substance contain same number of molecules and it is equal to Avogadro number of molecules. I repeat, 1 gram molecule of any substance must contain or contains same number of molecules equal to that of Avogadro number, 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. So, calculation of equations. So, let us see how to calculate number of gram atoms. Number of gram atoms. How do you calculate number of gram atoms? So what is gram atom? Nothing but atomic mass in grams. So number of gram atoms is mass of one atom of element or say given mass so given mass like this. Given mass of element by gram atomic mass of element we will get number of gram atoms. If you want to find number of atoms, 1 gram atom contain Avogadro number of atoms. 2 gram atoms contains 2 into Avogadro number of atoms. So simply number of atoms, number of gram atoms into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. How do you find number of gram atom if mass is given? Given mass of element by gram atomic mass of element, gram atomic mass of element into Avogadro number. Remember Na is shortcut Avogadro number, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Or you can find number of gram molecules, number of gram molecules. For molecules you will have molecular weight, that is only difference. Given mass of the substance, given mass of substance by gram molecular mass of substance, given mass of substance by gram molecular mass. If you want to find number of molecules, same procedure. Number of molecules in given mass of a substance. It is equal to, see, 1 gram molecule contain Avogadro number of molecules, 2 gram molecules contain 2 into Avogadro number of molecules. So simply number of gram molecules into Avogadro number. Number of gram molecules into Avogadro number. Instead of this, if mass is given, you have to write this equation here. Given mass of substance by gram molecular mass of substance into Avogadro number. Based upon those equations, first one, calculate the number of gram atoms in the following. Number of gram atoms, what is given? 48 grams of oxygen. That means mass of the element is given. So mass of this element is given. You have to find number of gram atom. This is given. you have to find this number of gram atom. So what you require? Gram atomic mass in grams. So here oxygen, given mass is 48 grams. What is gram atomic mass? Atomic mass of oxygen is Cl. O2 means oxygen. Here we require atoms, gram atoms. So we have to take atomic weight. If it is gram molecule, then you have to take molecular weight. So we have to find atoms, therefore I am taking atomic mass. What is atomic mass of oxygen? Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 AMU. Gram atomic mass of oxygen becomes 16 grams. So number of gram atoms of oxygen, number of gram atoms of oxygen is equal to given weight. What is the given weight? 48 grams. 48 grams by gram atomic mass. If I write atomic mass, it is 16. The mass units will not be cancelled. So we have to express in grams. It becomes gram atomic mass, that is 16. So what I will get is 3 gram atoms of oxygen. So 48 grams of oxygen becomes equal to how many gram atoms? 3 gram atoms. Let us see the next one. Same procedure. Weight is given. 8 grams of hydrogen we have. We have to find number of gram atoms. How do you find number of gram atoms? Mass, given mass of the element by gram atomic mass. So what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to what? 1.008, approximately we take it as 1. We require gram atomic mass of hydrogen, which is equal to 1. I am taking 1, approximately 1 gram, expressing in grams to cancel the units. Next, number of gram atoms, given mass. What is the given mass? 8 by gram atomic mass. 8 grams by gram atomic mass is 1 gram. So you will get 8 gram atoms of hydrogen. So next problems are based upon next equation, number of atoms. So calculate number of atoms present in, mass is given 6 grams. So you have to find this. No, this is given. Anyway, this is constant, this is constant. I cannot use this equation. To use this equation, I have to find number of gram atoms, which is equal to this again. So given mass is 6. What is the gram atomic mass? Atomic mass of magnesium 24 AMU. Gram atomic mass of magnesium 24 grams. Now let us find number of atoms, magnesium atoms. Right. Given mass of the element. What is the given mass of the element? 6 grams by gram atomic mass of the element. What is the gram atomic mass? 24 grams into Avogadro number. So 6 by 24 is 1 by 4. So Na by 4. What is Na by 4? 6.023 into 10 power 23 by 4. So 6 by 4 is approximately 1.5 into 10 power 23 atoms of magnesium. That will be your answer. Same way you have to do this. Mass is given. You have to find number of atoms. Number of atoms equal to given mass of oxygen by gram atomic mass of oxygen into Avogadro number. What is gram atomic mass of oxygen? Atomic mass, not molecular mass. Atomic mass is 16. So 16 grams. So I am writing directly number of atoms equal to given weight 8 grams, atomic mass 16, molecular mass is 32. We have to find atoms, therefore we require atomic mass, that is 16. Expressed in grams, 16 grams, that is gram atomic mass into Avogadro number. 8 by 16, 1 by 2, so Na by 2, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 by 2, so approximately 3.01 into 10 power 23 atoms. Right, let us see the next problem. Calculate the mass of 1.5 gram atom of chlorine, 2 gram atoms of sodium. See here, he is asking you to calculate the mass of the element. Next, what is given? Gram atoms. So, gram atoms are given. Gram atoms are given. You are supposed to find mass of the element. So, mass of the element is equal to number of gram atoms into gram atomic mass of the element. So, I will write here mass of element equal to number of gram atoms into gram atomic mass of element. So, 1.5 gram atoms of chlorine. So, 1.5 gram atoms into gram atomic mass. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So, this becomes 35.5 grams, which is equal to 53.25 grams. Coming to the next one, 2 gram atoms of sodium. So, we have to find the mass, same story, mass of sodium. Mass of sodium is equal to what? Number of gram atoms, 2 gram atoms, number of gram atoms into gram atomic mass of sodium. What is gram atomic mass of sodium? 23. Gram atomic mass of sodium becomes 23 grams. So, 2 into 23 grams, which is equal to 46 grams. Calculate the number of gram molecules. See here, gram molecules, and mass is given 90 grams. So, we are coming to this equation. We have to find the number of gram molecules. Mass of the substance is given. So, what you have to know, since this is given, this we have to find, leftover is gram molecular mass of the substance. What is the substance given here? C6H12O6, nothing but glucose or fructose. So, what is the molecular weight of C6H12O6? Let us first find it. Molecular weight of C6H12O6. It is equal to sum of the atomic masses of all atoms present in the molecule. How many different atoms are present? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. 3 different atoms. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. How many carbon atoms we have? 6. How many hydrogen atoms we have? 12. How many oxygen atoms we have? 6. Therefore, molecular weight or molecular mass is equal to 6 into atomic mass of carbon plus 12 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 6 into atomic mass of oxygen. 6 into atomic mass of carbon, 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16. 12 6 are 72, 12, 6 6 are 36, 96. will get 180. So this is the molecular mass. So we know molecular mass, we know mass, then let us find number of gram molecules. So number of gram molecules of glucose. Given mass, what is given mass? 90 grams by molecular mass, not atom, molecule, it's a molecule. Molecular mass, what is the molecular mass we got? 180. If I write 180, the mass units will not be balanced, so you have to express it in grams. It becomes gram molecular mass. So gram molecular mass is 180 grams. So you will get 0.5 gram molecules. So let us study the next one. Let us try to solve the next one, that is chlorine. In chlorine there are 2 chlorine atoms. So 2 into 35.5 you will get 75. So molecular mass of chlorine is 2 into 35.5 equal to 71. So gram molecular mass is 71 grams. So what we know? We know mass of chlorine. What is the mass of the chlorine is given? 142. Gram molecular mass is 71. You have to find number of gram molecules. So number of gram molecules of chlorine. Number of gram molecules of chlorine. Chlorine is equal to given mass 142 by molecular gram molecular mass, that is 71, equal to 2 gram molecules. Calculate the number of molecules. What you have to find? Number of molecules. What is given? 8 grams of oxygen, 88 grams of CO2. That means mass of the substance is given. So what we require? Number of molecules. This we have to find. What is given? Mass. This is not given. Mass of the substance is given. Right. So anyway, this is constant Avogadro number. What we require? Gram molecular mass. So molecular mass of oxygen already we know 32. CO2 we will find here. So let us find number of molecules here. Number of molecules in given mass. In given mass of substance, that is understood. So given mass of the substance, given mass of the substance, what is the given mass? 8 grams by molecular mass 32, molecular mass 32, gram molecular mass becomes 32 grams into Avogadro number. 8 by 32 is 1 by 4. So here you will get Na by 4 or 6.023 into 10 power 23 by 4, approximately 1.5 into 10 power 23 molecules. Right, here in the next problem, let us first find molecular weight of CO2. Sum of the atomic masses of all elements. How many different atoms are present? 2 atoms, carbon, oxygen. How many carbon atoms? 1. How many oxygen atoms? 2. So sum of the atomic mass of all atoms. So this is 1 into atomic mass of carbon plus 2 into atomic mass of oxygen. So this is equal to 1 into atomic mass of carbon. 1 into atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU plus 2 into atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 12 plus 32 we will get 44 AMU. If you express in grams, it becomes gram molecular mass. So number of molecules given mass 88 grams by gram molecular mass. What is the molecular mass? 44 AMU. Expressed in grams becomes 44 grams into, so we got this mass is given gram molecular mass into Avogadro number, that is N subscript A. So 2 into Avogadro number, 2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. So approximately what we get is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. So if I write 1.2 10 power 24. Okay, or you can write like this 12, no problem, that is it. Calculate the mass of, here gram molecules are given, mass of what? Molecules. Methane is a molecule, right? This is sucrose is also a molecule. So we have to find mass of the substance. What is given? Mass of the substance is given. You have to, gram molecules are given. We have to find this mass of the substance. So mass of the substance is equal to what? Number of gram molecules into gram molecular mass of the substance. That is the formula, right? So mass of the substance or compound is equal to number of gram molecules into gram molecular mass of the substance let us see. Number of gram molecules are 2.5. Methane CH4, 1 carbon, 1 into 12, 4 hydrogens, 4 into 1, 4. So molecular mass is 16 AMU. We require gram molecular mass, so it becomes 16 grams. So it is equal to what? 2.5 into 16 grams. I think you will get around 40 grams. So next one is also same, number of gram molecules are given. So find gram molecular weight. 12 carbons, 22 hydrogens, 11 oxygens. 12 carbons, atomic mass of carbon is 6. 12 into, I will write here, carbon atomic mass 12, hydrogen atomic mass 1, oxygen atomic mass 16. So 12 into 12 plus 22 into 1 plus 11 into 16. 12 into 12 plus 22 into 1 plus 11 into 16. So if you simplify this, you will get 342. Right. So let us find number of gram molecules. Let us find the mass. Mass of sucrose C12 H22O11. It is equal to number of gram molecules 1.2 into 342. So you will get around 410.4 grams.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.